Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to We Will Crypto, the podcast that brings you all the latest news and insights from the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. I'm your host, Ananomyx, and today's July 2nd, 2023. We have a jam-packed episode for you covering a wide range of topics that are shaping the crypto landscape. We'll be discussing the market rebound of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum and Ripple. We'll delve into the factors contributing to this bullish market, such as a more stable macroeconomic environment and institutional acceptance. We'll also explore the regulatory landscape with a focus on the evolving stance of SEC Chair Gary Gensler and the potential impact on the industry. Additionally, we'll touch on the integration of artificial intelligence in the crypto industry, the potential capital inflow into altcoins according to former Goldman Sachs executive Raoul Pal, and the upcoming halving event of Litecoin. Lastly, we'll explore the ongoing case between Ripple and the SEC and its potential implications for the crypto markets. So sit back, relax, and get ready for a fascinating and informative episode. In the first half of this year, we witnessed a remarkable rebound in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, which had fallen below $16,000 per coin, surged back and is now trading at around $31,000. This represents a staggering growth of nearly 87% in just 6 months. Ethereum, Ripple, and Cardano have also performed exceptionally well. This bullish trend can be attributed to a more stable macroeconomic environment, reduced recession fears, and positive performance in the traditional stock market. Regulatory tightening in the United States has been counterbalanced by markets opening in other countries, contributing to this growth. Furthermore, institutional acceptance and support have been bolstered by recent developments, such as BlackRock's filing for an exchange-traded fund and the launch of the EDX Markets cryptocurrency exchange. Looking ahead, experts predict further positive growth for Bitcoin in the coming year, with a potential rise towards its previous all-time high. However, the third quarter of 2023 may present some challenges. Historical data shows that this quarter has been the weakest for Bitcoin, with an average gain of only 4.67% in 4 out of 9 years. Regulatory pressure and macro drivers could result in a sideways movement for Bitcoin in the coming months. The uncertainty surrounding the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision and the overall economic growth adds to these macro challenges. The focus on U.S. regulation and the approval of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds will continue to shape the market. While institutions like BlackRock, Fidelity, and Invesco have filed for Bitcoin ETFs, the timing of the regulatory decisions remain uncertain. However, the global perspective on crypto regulation is mixed, with some countries such as the UK and Hong Kong taking a more favorable approach. Some US companies are even considering relocating to crypto-friendly jurisdictions. Despite these challenges, experts remain optimistic about the future of crypto, emphasizing the importance of timely regulatory clarity to prevent the potential loss of capital and intellectual talent to other parts of the world. Now, let's talk about the evolving stance of Securities and Exchange Commission Chair Gary Gensler on cryptocurrencies. Gensler's journey can be divided into 3 stages. In the first stage, from 2018 to 2020, he was seen as a friend and forward-thinking regulator in the crypto industry. Gensler's journey can be divided into 3 stages. In the first stage, from 2018 to 2020, he was seen as a friend and forward-thinking regulator in the crypto industry. He even offered to advise the crypto exchange Binance and acknowledged the potential of major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ether. However, after becoming SEC chair in 2021, Gensler's attitude started to shift. He expressed skepticism and called for more regulation, referring to the crypto market as a Wild West. His tone became more critical, stating that the majority of tokens were securities. In the current stage, Gensler's skepticism has turned into opposition as the SEC adopted a regulation by enforcement approach. He made contradictory statements, claiming that everything other than Bitcoin is a security. The SEC filed lawsuits against major crypto exchanges, including Binance and Coinbase, for alleged securities violations and market manipulation. Some suggest that Gensler's apparent about-face may be part of a negotiating strategy to push for regulatory action from Congress. And moving on to AI news, artificial intelligence is poised to enhance the crypto industry. Despite challenges such as legal and regulatory actions and lack of transparency, the integration of AI and blockchain-based transactions is expected to accelerate. AI can address issues like real-time transparency by assisting in audits and fraud detection. It can also improve smart contract implementation by analyzing and revising contracts. The rise of AI has also emphasized the need for compelling use cases for cryptocurrency. AI-powered bot interactions present an opportunity for blockchain-based payments. The attention and investment in AI can contribute to finding essential use cases for cryptocurrencies. Renowned former Goldman Sachs executive Raoul Pal predicts a significant influx of capital into the cryptocurrency market, particularly altcoins. He closely monitors the Total 3 chart, which tracks the total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Powell finds the charts exceptionally bullish, with a measured objective of surpassing $4 trillion in altcoin market capitalization. Currently, Total 3 is trading around $332.65 billion, indicating a potential upside of over 1,100% if it reaches $4 trillion. Paul envisions the overall market cap of all cryptocurrencies surging to $10 trillion. As global liquidity rises, he sees crypto as an asset class that will outperform others. The recent filings by BlackRock for a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund is expected to attract fresh capital into the crypto space. Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum, shared his thoughts on the recent enforcement actions taken by the SEC against cryptocurrency projects. Buterin expressed sympathy for projects like Solana affected by these actions. He emphasized that the real competition lies in the centralized world and that a victory for Ethereum by removing other blockchains from exchanges wouldn't be honorable or sustainable. Buterin warned about the expanding influence of the centralized world and expressed his desire for a fair outcome for other crypto projects involved. And in Ripple news, the ongoing legal case between Ripple and the SEC is poised to have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency markets. According to lawyer and XRP supporter John Deaton, a favorable ruling for Ripple could lead to a rally not only for XRP, but also for other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Litecoin. Conversely, an unfavorable ruling could strengthen the current anti-crypto sentiment and hinder industry growth in the US. The SEC's crackdown on cryptocurrencies and lawsuits against exchanges like Binance and Coinbase have raised concerns among crypto supporters. The outcome of this case carries weight in shaping the future landscape. Max Keiser, a prominent Bitcoin proponent, believes that Ripple will lose its ongoing case against the SEC due to Chairman Gary Gensler's alignment with the banking industry. Keiser argues that the SEC protects Wall Street while targeting Ripple and other non-Bitcoin cryptocurrencies. He previously referred to Ripple as a Ponzi scheme and predicted that the SEC would kill XRP. In other news, Bitcoin Depot, a leading Bitcoin ATM provider in the US, has successfully merged with GSR2 Meteora Acquisition Corp. The combined entity, now known as Bitcoin Depot Inc., is set to begin trading on the NASDAQ on July 3rd under the ticker symbols BTM and BTMWW. Bitcoin Depot aims to bridge the gap between cash users and the digital financial system by offering convenient cash-to-Bitcoin conversion services. With thousands of kiosk locations across North America, the company plans to leverage its market share and additional capital to bring Bitcoin securely and safely to the masses. And for Bittrex news, cryptocurrency exchange Bittrex has filed a motion to dismiss the SEC's legal case against it. Bittrex argues that the SEC lacks the authority to regulate cryptocurrencies as securities unless explicitly granted by Congress. The exchange's motion aligns with arguments made by Coinbase, signaling a strategic move to establish a unified defense against the SEC's lawsuit. Both Bittrex and Coinbase contend that once a crypto asset is actively traded on secondary markets, it should be considered a commodity or another class of digital asset rather than a security. Additionally, Bittrex claims that the SEC did not adequately communicate that its actions were prohibited. Lastly, the gaming industry and cryptocurrency continue to intersect in interesting ways. Apple is reportedly improving its gaming offerings for Mac users with plans to release software that makes it easier to play Windows games on Mac. In the regulatory realm, the SEC has included tokens from popular gaming platforms like The Sandbox, Decentraland, and Axie Infinity in its complaint against Binance, classifying them as unregistered securities. This inclusion highlights the ongoing scrutiny of the SEC on the intersection of gaming and cryptocurrencies. Avalabs, the team behind the Avalanche blockchain, has launched a program called Arcade to assist Web2 gaming companies in transitioning to Web3. The program offers support in game monetization, marketing, user acquisition, and risk management. This initiative aims to bridge the gap between traditional gaming and blockchain-based gaming, enabling companies to leverage the benefits of decentralized technology. In a surprising move, Ryan Cohen, known for his involvement with meme stocks, has been appointed as the CEO of GameStop. This appointment signals GameStop's commitment to transforming its business model and embracing the digital landscape. The gaming industry continues to evolve rapidly, and the integration of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology is becoming more prevalent. In conclusion, the crypto market has rebounded in 2023, with Bitcoin and altcoins experiencing significant growth. The regulatory landscape remains a key factor influencing the industry, with the evolving stance of SEC Chair Gary Gensler and ongoing legal cases shaping the market. The integration of artificial intelligence and blockchain technology shows promise for enhancing the crypto industry. Additionally, developments in the gaming sector, including Apple's gaming improvement, regulatory actions on gaming tokens, and initiatives like Arcade, highlight the intersection of gaming and cryptocurrencies. As the industry continues to evolve, it presents both opportunities and challenges for investors and enthusiasts alike. This is the We Will Crypto podcast, and I'm your host, Ananomyx, delivering you the latest crypto news. If you found this episode helpful or informative, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one.